Angels Light Tarot. Thank you for stopping by for your monthly general love message for August 2020. Yes, this is a love message. Has nothing to do with your mama, your sister, your daddy. No, this is all about romance. Okay, so this is for singles as well. Okay, Libra, this is the love energy that is around you for the month of, yes, for the month of, I feel like, yeah, these are only, yeah, we're looking for positive energy out of these cards, so only upright. We're looking for positive energy. What is the love energy around Libra for the month of, thank you, August? Angels, we're looking for positive energy for Libra. Angels, what's going on? What's the 411 for the romantic? Yes, for Libra. Come on, angels. What's going on? What is going on for Libra? Yes, for the month of, there we go. For the month of, yes, August. All right, positive energy. High vibrational love is what we're looking for, Libra. High vibrational, oh, I think we've already used those. We're moving on to the angels cards. Angels and guides, positive energy, positive romantic, and you're like, Dora, should you mix romance with the angels? Yeah, they know everything, okay? You're not hiding any romance. No, you're not. Positive energy for Libra for the month of August. Thank you, and thank you. Positive energy, please. Positive energy. Moving on to, yeah, we're topping this off. We're topping it off with the Hummingbird deck for Libra's love life. Yes. Positive energy, please. Positive energy for romance. Yes, for romance. For, this is, yeah, you singles, this is for you too, okay? This is for you too. Positive energy for, come on, Libra, come on. Angels, we need some information for Libra. Positive energy for Libra. Come on, angels. Two more. Just two more. There we go. All right, let's get right into your love romantic messages. We're almost there. So, positive energy. Here we go. High vibrations. Now, romance, reparenting yourself with the Four of Crystals. Yes. And the Balance card with the Angel Therapy, the Four of Hearts, and the Joker. So I feel, I'm picking up, you are definitely doing what is right for you this month, Libra. This is all about, yes, for those of you who are in a beautiful bond, yes, you have your relationship, and then you have you. And I feel like you are doing what you need for you, right? Now, I feel like with the Four of Crystals, that is taking back your control, taking control of you in your personal relationships. This is bringing you balance. This is making you feel good. Maybe you lent too much of your power to someone else. At times we do that in relationships. Now, with the Angel of Therapy, I definitely feel like there is an element of taking care of yourself. This is an element of giving. It's almost like, I'm going to take care of myself, and you don't want to hurt the other person's feelings. No, you don't. But at the same time, you know what you need to thrive. You know what you need with the Four of Hearts to feel good and complete within your relationship. With the Joker card, you're not so sure how this is going to fit with your other person, but nonetheless, you need it. You definitely need this, okay? So, for those of you who are not in a beautiful romantic bond, I feel like this is a month that you are going to fall madly in love with yourself and give yourself everything that you need, that makes you vibrate on a high love level. Almost like, people are going to think that you are in a relationship because you're going to be vibrating at such a high love level, but it's just you loving on you, giving you what you need, all like whatever it is that you feel makes you feel good. Maybe it's time to read a book. Maybe you want that time to just lounge around in the backyard, right? Maybe it's those things that make you feel good and comfortable. Yeah, that's what's going to make you vibrate at that really high level. Now, let's look at the recent past, okay? We have of course, we want this upside, abundance, yes, 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 with the page of crystals, with the heart chakra. Remember who you are, the Ace of Spades and the Eight of Spades. So I feel like in the recent past, abundance was definitely yours, Libra. It was definitely yours. And I feel like this was an abundance in love. Yes. Now, I feel like this was love that you had to work on. You know that, right? You had to work on this love. And with this heart chakra, I see that it was like, almost like I hear you saying, do I really love this person? Because this is a lot of work. And within that, it's like, almost like, who am I? Who am I in this relationship, right? Although there is a lot of love here, you questioned yourself. How much of work do I need to do? With this Ace of Spades, I feel like this was something that was in your soul, deep down in your soul. You had to remember who are you? Who really are you on a spiritual soul level? With the Eight of Spades, you remembered, oh yes, I'm powerful. Oh yes, it's like you're in a relationship. And sometimes, like I said, you lend your power to someone else, right? You give away some of your power in the meaning of, oh, it's equal, blah, 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 blah. But somehow or the other, that 50-50 became 60-40, and then that 60-40 became, 30-70, right? You know exactly what I'm talking about. Almost like you gave it all up, okay? But that was in the recent past. Now, when we look in the middle of the month, we have resolving conflict. How beautiful is that? The Strength card, spiritual strength, moon cycles, Eight of Hearts, and the King of Hearts. So I feel like in the middle of the month, there are some energies around you that need, I'm gonna say, resolving, that need to be resolving, and it's going to take a lot of strength to get through this. Spiritually, I feel like there may be a bit of stepping back, because maybe it's so intense where it's like, okay, all right, I have to be strong in this situation. And maybe you need to step back a little bit to show a little bit of strength. Maybe you have to bite your tongue. Maybe you want to say something that maybe wasn't very nice, that wouldn't be very nice, and you got to step back. Okay, if I'm here, if I say this, it's going to be hurtful, right? But I feel like with the spiritual strength card, there is something that needs to be said, and you are a bit emotional about it with the moon cycles. With the Eight of Hearts, there's a feeling like someone is being, and with the Eight of Hearts, I feel like someone is being an emotional bully. That's either you or there's someone else, but I feel like you are definitely going to stand up to that emotional bully, or vice versa, they are going to stand up to you. Irregardless, it's going to take a lot of strength to do that. Now, when we look at the end of the month, we have the Rainbow Reviver, we have the Emperor card, the Material Harvest, Clear Your Space, Five of Spades, and the Ace of Diamonds. So by the end of the month, I see that you made it through. Reviver, yes, the Rainbow Reviver, you definitely made it through. With focus, you definitely made it through. Material Harvest, I feel like the love begins to grow again by the end of the month. You're making space for this love, but there's definitely going to be changes this time around. With the Ace of Diamonds, I feel like there's a new beginning. Yeah, almost like you had to stand your ground or they had to stand their ground. Well, because of whatever whatever went on in the middle of the month, there has to be a change. Like, yeah, okay, we're going to talk again and we're going to be close again, but whatever happened here will be resolved by the end of the month, okay? Now, when we look at your, like almost like I'm not going forward unless it's resolved, but I see it being resolved, okay? Now, when we look at your bonus, you have emotional freedom, 9 of feathers, with partnerships and alliances, compassion, 4 of clubs, and the 6 of diamonds. So I definitely feel emotional freedom. I definitely feel like there is a sense of feeling a bit distant, whether you're feeling distance from them or they're feeling distance from you. If you're single, you might be distant from love in general, if that makes sense. I feel like with the 9 of feathers, I feel like there's a bit of stepping into your power this month. Definitely stepping into your power with partnerships and alliances. It's almost like if you're single, you're wanting to be with someone just as powerful as you are. Yeah, you're wanting someone that is equal. Almost like I hear you saying, I don't want to be anybody's mama, or I don't want to be anybody's daddy. You know what I'm saying? You're wanting somebody that is equal in partnerships. You're having compassion though. I see you having compassion. I see that you are definitely thinking, you know what? I feel like you're a bit stubborn, because you have this value, you have this thing that means a lot to you, and it has always meant a lot to you. It's almost like you want that, you need that in your relationships. For you singles, I see you having compassion, but I still see it's like you're missing out on, you're feeling like you're missing out on something that you've always valued. Let's say you wanted to be with a person, and you had your list, and I need this, I need this, I need this, and you're like, well, okay, I could do without that. And maybe you did without that for a very long time, but now all of a sudden you're like, God, I really wish I didn't do without that. I wish, because that was really important to me. Why am I still, yeah. So now all of a sudden you're thinking about that one thing you kind of let slide, or you accepted when you really didn't want to accept it. Now it's becoming a norm, if that makes sense. I'm just going to let that go. So expect this month to resolve conflicts. I feel like you're going to have a lot of strength. You're going to be very strong through this process. You're going to speak your truth, and I definitely feel like you will resolve this, and it will go forward. It definitely will go forward, but it will go forward with whatever happens in the middle of the month, whatever issues that you needed to be strong through. I feel like you're going to walk. It's almost like those conversations are going to happen so that this won't happen again, if that makes sense. Yes. And then I see you contemplating, why in the world did I accept A, B, C, and D when I know I needed that? Okay, I'm going to let that go. I send you joy, namaste, and much, much love sent your way.